How to walk slowly on Roblox. The first things first is just simply access any preferred browser you want to use and just head directly to roblox.com and then just launch any game that you would like to do this method. Now, for you to be able to walk slowly, is the first thing you can do is just to slowly tap on the W key from your keyboard. Now, tap on it time to time for you to be able to walk slowly. Now, if you want to walk slowly simultaneously, then just press and control from your keyboard and press and hold on the W key or the forward button from your keyboard. So those are only the things that you can use for you to be able to walk slowly, just tapping the W key and then just hitting the control key once and just press and hold the forward button for you to be able to walk slow. That's it. That's how you walk slowly in Roblox.